The income of two persons A and B are in the ratio of 8:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 19:16. If their saving are 2,550 per month, find their monthly income. Okay, how will you do that? Firstly, the question is given, you see A and B, the income of the ratio 8:7. See, income of ratio 8:7 and expenditure ratio 19:16. Okay, see properly, so that we can take the income of A. We can take A is 80x and expenditure of A is 19y, because A, B is 19y. Same, we can write the income of B is 7x and expenditure of B is 16y. Understood? If you will take income X, then you will take expenditure Y. Okay? Then we can able to find the equation value X and Y. Understood? See. Now we will write the equation. How will you write the equation? The expenditure, what is the given question? The income of two person. What is the question given? Now the income of two person A and B are in the ratio 8:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 19:16. If their saving are 2,550 per month. Okay, so that saving is expenditure minus, now expenditure, income minus saving is income minus saving is income minus expense. Suppose your father is getting per month, your father's salary is suppose 20,000. Okay, your father's salary is 20,000. He per month expenses or expenditure for expenditure is 10,000. What is the saving? Saving means 20,000 minus 10,000, that is 10,000. This is saving. So that saving is income minus expenditure. Okay. Now will we make the equation? How will we make the equation? See, will we make the equation how? Now first from A to will write. Now A income, A saving is 25,000 to 2,550 A saving. How it is getting A? Now A income is 80x minus expenditure is 19y. We have written here. Firstly, you write the question and then answer what I am writing. Just to write step by step. Then you can understand what I am writing. Okay. And second, this is equation 1. And equation 2, that is 8x minus b. So that the saving of B is also same, 2,550 50. How is saving come? Income minus expenditure. The B income is 7x minus 16y. Okay. Now we got two equation A and B. Then we will find the value. Okay. Substitution process, elimination process, you will put there. Then immediately you can find the value. Now I am doing the addition. Now subtraction. Why we are doing subtraction? Subtraction from equation I to 2y. Okay. When you will do subtraction, then the symbol will be changed. This is cancel. 80x minus 7x, x minus 19y plus 60y minus 3y is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3y. This x value will be put here. Put equation I. Okay. Put x value equation I. So that 8 into 3y minus 19y is equal to 2550. Okay. So that you write here 24y, 8 3 is 24y minus 19y is equal to 2550. That implies 24 minus 9, 5y is equal to 2550, y equal to 2550 by 5. Then 5551510. Now we got y is equal to 510. Okay. If we got y value 510, so how will you get x value? Now x is equal to 3 into y. That is 3 into 510. That is 5 3 15, 1500, 1530. After then you got the answer. If you got x and y value, then you will be find the what is income and what is expenditure. So that income, A income 80x, that is 8 into x value, what is getting? We are 51530. Then a B 7x, 7 into 1530. Then you will be multiply this, then you will get the answer. Okay. If you will get in doubts, once again I am show you the answer. You see properly. Okay. If you have any doubts, just message me. I will take care and I will give the understanding to you. Okay. Thank you.